Hey, what's up SLP coin holder? What's going on this time? SLP price will be increasing now, so that's really great news to in last 3 days plus 1.87% they will get a profit. But my friend, in last 24 hours and last 7 days, my friend, the condition is very bad now. All coins were fails down, all crypto market is not comfortable, my friend. So therefore absolutely it's a really good news, my friend, from SLP to in last 3 days just and only they will get a profit. But in last 4 hours, my friend, they will also fails down. So therefore try to understand to in upcoming time the huge pump is coming soon or not, and this is temporary fails or this is permanent. Everything I am going to explain now, but please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So this time, as you can see, my friend, the SLP price will urgently pump up, but again they were fails down. So therefore I will tell you to after fails the very huge pump is coming soon, my friends. So therefore after this fails I am 100% sure, my friends, a very huge pump is coming soon. But don't worry, my friend, if they were fails down for a short time, so I hope, my friends, so they will get a very good profit, my friends, for a long time. In last 7 days you can see minus 13.68% they were fails down. After this very big fails, as you can see, my friend, they will again pumps up, but for a short time they cannot recover these all lost, and they will again fails down, you can see here. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, to I hope in upcoming time they will recover this all lost, because, my friend, at the end of month every coin will moving upward. So therefore I trust in my friends to the price will increasing. But I can't expect, my friend, from SLP coin to they will give us this type very bad loss. But this is the reality, my friends, so kindly holders be focused and get a profit. My friends, every coin will moving upward after a short fail. So therefore I am 100% sure, my friend, to SLP price will more increasing now. But if the holder are starting holding, otherwise, my friend, everybody know this, to the price will dumps down, my friends, when a holder are starting selling. So try to understand SLP coin holders, please invest now and hold it, don't starting selling. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.